Imagine waking up every single day feeling an overwhelming sense of gratitude, as if the universe itself is conspiring in your favor. What if I told you there's a way to take your gratitude journaling practice to an entirely new level? One that not only rewires your subconscious mind, but also manifests your deepest desires faster than ever before. This isn't just another gratitude practice. This is the missing piece that will supercharge your life. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using Hooponopono and NLP anchoring techniques. This is part 2 of our series on secret NLP techniques with Hooponopono. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Because when you combine these two powerful modalities, you create an unstoppable force for transformation. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever kept a gratitude journal, written down things you're thankful for, yet felt like something was missing? Maybe you've heard about the power of gratitude. You've tried it for a while, but it didn't create the breakthrough you were hoping for. You're not alone. Most people engage in gratitude journaling at a surface level. They write things down mechanically, without truly feeling the energy behind the words. That's where Hooponopono and NLP anchoring come in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why your previous gratitude practice may not have worked, but you'll also have a simple step-by-step system to deepen your emotional connection with gratitude and lock it into your subconscious mind so powerfully that it becomes second nature. And when that happens, manifestation becomes effortless. Let's start with Hooponopono. If you're new to this, it's an ancient Hawaiian practice of healing and reconciliation. But what makes it magical is its ability to clear negative energy and create space for miracles. The core of Hooponopono revolves around 4 simple yet profoundly powerful phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You might wonder, why these specific phrases? Each one holds deep significance in rewiring our subconscious mind and releasing emotional blockages. I'm sorry acknowledges any unconscious negativity, resistance, or limiting beliefs we may hold. Please forgive me is not just about external forgiveness, but self-forgiveness, which is crucial for breaking free from emotional baggage. Thank you instills appreciation and signals the universe that you are ready to receive more. I love you raises your vibrational frequency and aligns you with divine abundance. When used correctly, these phrases can dissolve inner resistance and open the floodgates for profound transformation. Now, let's integrate Hooponopono into gratitude journaling in a way that creates a lasting impact. Step 1. Writing gratitude with intention. Most people jot down things they're grateful for without engaging their emotions deeply. Instead, I want you to slow down. Write down 5 things you are truly grateful for, but don't stop there. For each one, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let yourself feel that gratitude fully. Engage all your senses. What does gratitude feel like in your body? Does it create warmth in your chest, a smile on your face, or a tingling sensation? The more you immerse yourself in this, the stronger your manifestation energy becomes. Step 2. Amplifying gratitude with Hooponopono. After writing each gratitude point, I want you to read it aloud. But here's the game changer. Immediately follow it with the 4 Hooponopono phrases. For example, I'm so grateful for my loving family. Then say, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm grateful for my financial stability." Again, follow with the Hooponopono phrases. What this does is clear any underlying doubts, fears, or subconscious limitations tied to that gratitude. For example, you may be grateful for financial stability, but deep down, if you still fear losing money, that fear blocks your abundance. Hooponopono dissolves that resistance, making space for more of what you desire. Step 3. Locking in the energy with NLP anchoring. Now, let's supercharge this practice using NLP anchoring. NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, teaches us that we can associate specific physical actions with emotional states. Think about how certain songs instantly bring back memories. It's the same concept, but now you'll create an anchor for gratitude. Here's how. As you feel deep gratitude and say the Hooponopono phrases, choose a unique physical cue. It could be placing your hand over your heart, snapping your fingers, pressing your thumb and forefinger together. Perform this action every time you feel intense gratitude. Over time, your brain will link this physical motion to the emotional state of gratitude. Now, anytime you need a boost of gratitude, whether you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or disconnected, you can use this anchor to instantly bring yourself back to a high vibration state. Imagine waking up and instantly activating gratitude just by touching your heart. Imagine being in a difficult situation, but snapping your fingers and immediately shifting into a mindset of appreciation. That's the power of NLP anchoring. Let me share a real-life example. A client of mine who struggled with financial insecurity had been journaling for years without significant results. She always felt grateful for what she had, yet deep down she feared scarcity. Once she started using Hooponopono and NLP anchoring, she noticed a shift almost immediately. Within a few months, she received unexpected financial blessings, got a new job opportunity, and most importantly, felt a profound sense of peace. Why did this work so powerfully for her? Because she wasn't just writing gratitude, she was embodying it. Her subconscious beliefs changed, and when that happens, reality follows suit. To make this practice even more powerful, start and end your day with it. In the morning, before getting out of bed, take a deep breath, touch your heart, and silently say the Hooponopono phrases with gratitude for the day ahead. At night, as you journal, visualize yourself bathed in golden light, fully immersed in gratitude. This visualization is crucial because your subconscious responds more to images and emotions than words alone. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try this method for just 7 days. Keep a record of how you feel, any shifts in your energy, and any unexpected blessings that come your way. I guarantee you'll experience changes that will surprise you. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it's a frequency. The more you align with it, the more you attract abundance, love, and joy effortlessly. Are you ready to take your gratitude practice to the next level and unlock its true power? If yes, start today and share your experiences in the comments. And remember, if you haven't watched part 1 yet, check the link in the description. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper into these transformative practices. Until then, keep shining, keep believing, and keep manifesting your best life.